Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. Today we will present our last assignment and the topic is to investigate the effect of human trash to the endangered species. My name is Nofarahim binti Abdul Syukur, UK 35264. Okay, this is our framework of an outline which have introduction, body and conclusion. For the body, we have two topic sentence which also called main point, which represent Roman 1 and 2. For topic sentence Roman 1 will supported by subpoint which represent A and B. And both subpoint will supported by subpoint which represent Arabic number 1. For the second main point or second topic sentence will also supported by a subpoint which represent A, uppercase A and B, and both uppercase A and B were supported by a subpoint which represent Arabic number 1. Okay, next is introduction. Introduction consists of hook, general information, and thesis statement. For the hook, we start our introduction, our paragraph with quotes, which is our prime purpose in this life is to help others. And if you can't help others, at least don't hurt them. And second is the ocean wildlife are threatened by human. For the general information, first is there is 395 species had ingested or become entangled in rubbish. Second is, as we know, a lot of plastic is dumped in ocean each year, and based on the statistic, it was 8 million tons of plastic. Third is the marine life mistakes that the trash was their food on the ocean surface. For the thesis statement, regardless of the type of or the location of the marine debris, it can have serious effect to the ocean that causes the endangered of marine species.
Assalamualaikum dan salam sejahtera. My name is Nushira binti Shahrum, UK 35221. We present about the body of the paragraph. Okay, in body we have the thesis statement. For this paragraph, the thesis statement is regardless of the type of the location of the marine debris, it can have serious effect to the ocean that cause the endangered of marine species. This is a controlling idea for the paragraph. For the Roman one is represent the main point for the controlling idea. The first effect of human trash to the endangered species is failure in reproductive system of sea animal. This main point is supported by a subpoint. The subpoint is a capital A. Industrial agriculture waste include various poisonous chemicals that are considered hazardous of marine species. This subpoint is supported by subpoint that represent the Arabic number 1. For example, the chemical from biocide can accumulate in the fatty tissue of animal that leading to the failure in their reproductive system. The second subpoint is capital B. The chemical use and agricultural effect on the marine life food chain when the chemical get washed to the river later carried to the ocean. It's supported by the subpoint Arabic number 1. It happens when the small animal ingest the chemical and later it will be eaten by the large animal which that affect the whole food chain. The second main point for this controlling idea is the second effect of human trash the endangered species is lower level of oxygen content in water. The main point is supported by uppercase A. The debris in ocean does not decompose, that makes the oxygen content in water depletes. Okay, this subpoint is supported by subpoint Arabic number 1. The chances of survival of marine animals like turtle, shark, dolphin, and many more for a long time goes down when there is not enough oxygen in water. The second subpoint is represent the capital B. The amount of available oxygen relative to metabolic demand is low because of the high temperature of the ocean, and it supported by the subpoint Arabic number 1 in the topic species are already living near their critical metabolic index, so oxygen demand is high due to high temperature and supply is low due to low solubility, among other factors. Okay, for the conclusion, the signaling the main point we use in conclusion. Summarize main point, we can see there is a lot of effect that caused by human trash that can lead to the death of endangered species.
Okay, I will present about recommendation opinion. First is learn about endangered species, learning how interesting and important they are. Second, recycle and buy sustainable products, buy recycled paper and do not use plastic bag. And third is make sure the use of chemical and agriculture will not get washed to the river. Fourth is planting the native plants, provide food and shelter to native. Last is end with a strong note. Everyone should play their role, including the responsible parties such as government or non-government, to make sure this issue will be presented to the community so that they will better appreciate and care for the marine life. That's all from us. Thank you.